the preferred return with a split. Let's say you're the guy with the money and I need your money. I want your money for my down payment for my deal. I'm gonna come to you and say, we're gonna split this deal 50-50, but you're gonna get 8% preferred return on your money too. So the first 8% of the money that comes out of the deal goes to you, and then everything after that, we split it 50-50. So you're gonna make minimum 8%, and then if we make more than that, we're gonna split that 50-50. How does that sound? That sounds great. They're gonna love that. The drawback to you as the guy taking the money is if the deal isn't very profitable, all the money is gonna go to the investor and none of it's gonna go to you because you've set up a preferred return. And the higher the preferred return, the more advantageous it is for the investor.